to steak and egg.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot that this means something different in the UK. In Asia, it just means pace backwards. I'm so sorry. Oh gosh, that's so awkward. So sorry. Hey, Feng here, aka Leopard Crust, here with some more pizza love for you. So if you're feeling a little bit hungry, this pizza is the cure because we are making a cured take on steak and eggs on a pizza in the Roccbox. It's gonna be great. Let's go. Let's start by curing an egg yolk, and it is way simpler than you might think. We're gonna start by mixing a 50-50 mix of sugar and salt, and then mixing that all up. Whatever lidded container you use, you just want to create about 2 centimeters deep of salt and sugar to nest your egg yolk in. It's like playing in sand. And then we're gonna separate an egg. I like to use my hand because I find that it's way more foolproof. Pour the egg yolk onto my hand over that container, catching all the egg whites. Let the egg whites run through my fingers. So easy. I wasn't stressed at all. Transfer our egg into its little salt and sugar bed. And then what we're gonna do is cover it with more salt and sugar until you cannot see the egg yolk anymore. Now we're just gonna put a lid on this and store it in the fridge. So the longer that you keep it in the fridge, the more moisture is drawn from that egg yolk and the more intense the flavor becomes. I've got a few egg yolks that I've prepared at different stages of my life to show you what happens to egg yolks the longer you leave them. And it's up to you what effect you're going for, really. So let's go and check them out. So I have here 3 different egg yolks that I've been curing for different amounts of time. This one has been cured for 12 hours. This one has been cured for 2 days. And then finally, this one has been going for 2 weeks. So, ooh, egg lava. If you like runny egg yolks, definitely go for a shorter cure. You can cure for a minimum of 4 or 6 hours. Next up, we've got 2-day cured. Whoa, look at that. I think it saw what the 12-hour one was doing and was like, oh, I wanna show off too. That's still pretty jammy. And then last but not least, we've got the 2-week one. This one, woo, has really hardened. It's become kind of like a jelly bean consistency. Now that we've decimated 3 egg yolks, shall we make a pizza? Let's go. All right, so it's time to make our pizza. Make sure you've got all your ingredients ready to go, and you'll be rewarded with some hot pizza action. When you're ready to use your cured egg yolk, all you have to do is fish it out, and then all you do is you can rinse this under your tap or in some water. I've got my dough balls here, nice and jiggly, ready to go. Today we're making a pizza bianca. Your pizza base goes into the oven with no toppings, and then we add on our stracciatella for the last 30 seconds of the bake. And that makes it really easy to get onto the peel, launch into the oven. In case you're not able to get stracciatella, I've got a naughty hack for you where we're going to sub with mozzarella and cream. Ooh, this one's a bouncy one. I like to be gentle and loving with my dough. Keep all those bubbles that the doughs work so hard on. Obviously, in this part, I'm not very gentle with the dough. Let's get this pizza into the Roccbox. So today, we're gonna be doing a fast cook. The oven is at 450 degrees. We're gonna go for big spots. Flour the peel. There we go. Okay, make sure it's a circle. And we're going in. Got my turning peel. Woo, we got some big spots. It's just popping up in the oven right now. As I mentioned, for the last 30 seconds of the bake, we're gonna put on the stracciatella. So if you're using stracciatella, creamy goodness. If you're interested in this hack, what you're doing is you're just tossing on some mozzarella, and then we're gonna pour some cream around the perimeter of our pizza base. That's the stracciatella hack if you're not able to easily get your hands on stracciatella. It's a little bit challenging here in Bangkok. So we're just using this last 30 seconds of the bake to melt that cheese into oozy goodness. So the residual heat of the pizza is gonna keep melting that mozzarella. So it's fine if your mozzarella still looks pretty chunky at this point. So you can see that the mozzarella is losing its chunkiness. Rotate the pizza so that our cream coats the base. So over here I've got my bresaola, which is a salt-cured Italian beef. And you might take a moment to admire the beautiful marbling. What you want to do is you want to arrange the bresaola around the perimeter of the crust. So I like to scrunch it up about 10 slices of bresaola. You can even double up on some areas. And then piece de resistance, the cured egg yolk. It kind of looks like a sunny side up. And then we finish off with a crack of black pepper. Beautiful! Cured steak and eggs pizza. To cut this, I'm going to use scissors because I find them the fastest. And let's see that egg yolk ooze. Let's just say this is not a neat eating pizza. And aren't the tastiest pizzas sometimes the messiest? Look at that crumb. Oh wow. Cured steak and eggs pizza on a rainy day. Life's alright. We made our own sunshine. So this was a 72-hour sourdough. If you need a dough recipe, you can check out Gozney.com, where you'll also find the recipe for this madness. Cheers, enjoy. Hope you make this. This is one way you can open the pizza. Whoop, we got a giant tear, my bad.